do you remember what you were thinking when you signed up for CyberNow Labs? What was going through your brain?
The first question that popped into my mind was, what makes CyberNow Labs different? When I was, on the phone talking about, getting more information about the program. And I had the opportunity to actually talk to Gabe, and he basically he explained the entire SOC process of CyberNow Labs and how you do get theory, and theory is important. But the main thing about CyberNow Labs is the actual hands-on and the skills that we learn. Was the program everything you expected it to be?
It's been great because no other classes, like I told you, when I went to the colleges, they just did theory. They talked about it, but they didn't do it. And I'm the type I got to do it. You can't talk about it or read about it.
I didn't expect so much attention from instructors and mentors and people around. They are always ready to help you.
So in terms of the actual content that's delivered and taught, as analysts, we're given opportunities to learn how to do what higher level tiers do. For example, when it comes to the EDR tools that we've learned, we got a little bit of information on how to do root cause, what to look for when we're actually attempting root cause analysis. So the actual content was a lot more than what I expected. I thought we were just it was a basic training program that taught tier 1 level analysts, but what I actually found out was CNL, you guys gave us the amount of knowledge to actually potentially learn how to be a tier 2 in these certain tools. And it all comes down to the effort that we each individually put in. You guys have given us all the information, and then it was now up to us to actually retain and learn that information to the best of our ability and apply that to future job positions.
How does it feel now that you are at the end of the program and you're graduating, and some of you are graduating as blue chip recruits? How do you feel now?
I know that this is a career that, is pretty much theoretically recession proof, so something that I can continue to grow with and, network. I've met so many great people, everything is just, I'm very happy.
I just feel really, really confident. I can gladly call myself a SOC analyst or a cybersecurity analyst with everything that we've been taught here at CyberNow Labs.
What are 3 words that you would use to describe this cohort?
Entertaining and hardworking.
Persistent, hardworking. I want to say a cop-out answer of analysts.
The teamwork, almost like a family.
Reinforcement, communication, just an overall caring.
Helpful, professional, expert, and make me so good.
What advice would you give to others thinking about joining the program like you did?
CNL teams are very professional, and they know what they are doing, and they know their job. They're confident and helpful every time.
You want a leg up on someone, this is the place to come to, because you have real professionals training you on the real tools, not like read about these tools, you're actually doing them. You'll be able to slide into whatever it is, like they said it before, if it's a different EDR or a different scene tool, they're all the same. So you'll already have that advantage over someone else who just did theory about it.
Take the leap, but understand that this comes with a lot of hard work. But the hard work does pay off.
The support structure at CNL is amazing. You just have to believe in yourself and take the leap.
Putting it in your mind to set time aside in the day to actually learn this will help, because you will see people doing things and you will retain some information, but you actually have to do in order to learn. And when you actually do, you develop the ability to actually teach and help people. The biggest piece of advice I could give anyone is don't underestimate the work that you have to do.
And I wanted to say I'm very proud of all of you. You all have been exceptionally diligent, hardworking. I think every single one of you has an appetite for cybersecurity. I can see it. and I've been able to experience it. So I'm very proud of what everybody here has done. You're all great analysts, and you're all going to be amazing assets to the teams that you land on.